look at there. There's a breaker and a dimmer switch. Two-handle bathroom faucet. I might be closer than I thought. Yeah, we were getting started early this morning because we got lots of stuff to do today. What's happening, Don?
Good morning.
You getting an early start too, huh?
Yeah, I'm headed to work.
All right, man. We have a good day. No problem. We got some electrical work to do. We're going to do some more cleanup. Got to work on the tires on the U-Haul. But first thing I got to do is find some outlets. So we burnt some up the other day. Actually burnt the cord off in the plug. So I've got some outlets somewhere. In this mess. Good thing I got a box over there that's mostly electrical. Could you imagine trying to find anything in all this mess? So when I get the shop completely cleaned out and oh, look at there. There's a breaker and a dimmer switch. Two-handle bathroom faucet. I might be closer than I thought. I thought it was over there. I think I got more electrical over there too. Anyway, so get the bingo. We found them. I don't know. These are probably not pretty good outlets. That one's a good one. These ones with the blue plastic on the back of them, I think they're kind of junky. But they will work in a pinch. Another junky one. So this drawer here, the box here, apparently just has oh, there's a 220 outlet. Has drill. Has a little bit of everything in this box. I'd like to find one more of the good outlets. Nope, another junky one. Or I should say inexpensive. Cheap. Oh, what it says. Oh, breakers. Another junky one. Actually feel a little bit better quality, but I don't know. There's another one down there. Same thing. Alright, I'll take that. One of the good ones, one junky ones. Well, I got my trusty electrical tester here. Let me see if this is going to work. Here's my trusty electrical tester. Okay, what the heck's going on here? Are you kidding me? What the heck is going on with this plug? Wow, some kind of safety plug. Okay, here's my electrical tester. Y'all tell me if that light comes on when I turn the power back on, or if there's any sparks. Let me know. Uh-oh. I turned the power on and it jumped through that cord and knocked it down. So, that's working. I don't understand them plugs. They've got some kind of a cover over the inside of them. Childproof. Okay, well, it's not the greatest in the world. Kind of a, I don't really like that plug. That's really crappy. They're hard to get in and out, but it's working. So, okay, we're back to 2 outlets here again. So that's one task completed.